Group ride. Yeah.
Oh, you got the ground.
Yeah. What up?
What up, bro? Oh, shit, you put the ESCs on?
Oh, yeah. Dude, they feel so good.
They made the bike so big, huh?
Yeah. I mean, dude, it
It's
eats
like an
everything.
I think it's smaller. It's taller than my Ultra B.
It is. When I sat on yours, I was like, fuck. I didn't even want to sit on it because I knew I'd want it after.
No, but that thing's almost as big as it now.
Bro, it's tall now. I redid the whole graphics kit myself, too. I've been trying to get him to come on our night rides forever. This is my buddy Seth.
What's up, bro? What up? Come out. It's pretty fun.
What the fuck is that noise I keep hearing? Fuck it! What up, Seth? Woo! Hell yeah! I need to get wheelies slower like you.
I know. It's hard. It's hard, man.
I know, bro. Whose bike is making that noise, bro? I keep hearing it.
On the way back, we'll hit the trails because Monko's gonna leave at Belmont.
Okay, sick.
Yeah.
His fucking bike scares me every time. I'm like, oh. Whose bike is that? I don't know. Whose bike is that? Hell yeah! That was a good one. Hell yeah. Bro, whose bike? Tell me. I'm tripping out. It doesn't even sound like it's coming from your bike. What the? Scared me. Woo! I didn't even see the cop.
I didn't either. But we'll be good if we stick together.
Yeah. Woo!
That's what I want to do on this.
Oh yeah. Bro, the Surrons on this bridge is so weird because of the grate. Yeah.
Yeah.
What up? That's Daniel. What up? Oh, there he is. Ah, there's another cop. There's fucking cop right here too.
I went up to the next.
Damn, we got them knee knockers.
I thought that cop was gonna come that was at the light.
I know.
Staring at us. And he saw me doing a wheelie towards the light.
Bro.
It's fucking Tyler. We're gonna do some burnout.
Yeah, it's a cop up there. Nah, don't do it. You're burned. Fucking cop right there, bro. You're fucking burned. You did it? Take a look. Yeah. Woo! Oh yeah, keep going, keep going.
see him
Oh,
jump.
into the ground.
Is Seth been jumping?
Yeah, you already hit him.
Oh, wow.
The
ones over there, they look big.
yeah. Oh shit! Don't worry, I got it! Controlled as fuck! And you got them bitches controlled. Fuck, dude! That's crazy! Excuse me! Fuck! You gotta do the whole pathway! That's crazy. Oh shit, we're like ending ours. Thanks, dude. Oh, the fucking Stark is crazy. I'm gonna put this as the thumbnail so they think the ride's crazier than it was.
Warren, that's sick.
We're like low as fuck.
Oh, that's your bike?
Yeah, that's my bike.
Cool. Better than Ford.
Hell yeah.
Where did you get the sticker from?
I made this entire graphics kit. I designed it and made it.
How much you feel like you designed a graphics kit for mine?
It's my first time doing it. I haven't really done it for anybody yet.
That shit looks clean, bro.
Thanks, dude.
I want to put one. Looks fucking nice.
The only thing I haven't upgraded is the motor. It's a stock motor still.
Is that your bike?
Yeah, that's my bike. Thanks, dude. Your fucking bike's sick. You got the Ultra. It's like,
It's glowing.
yeah. I haven't shown you guys yet, but I redid this entire graphics kit myself. I designed it, had it cut. Oh, do something cool. Woo! Loop it, loop it, loop it. Come on, loop it. Alright, that's about all for this video. We're all packing up. Too bad we didn't have a lot of battery. We would have joined that other huge group, but it was a fun day. Stay tuned to the next one.
Psych!